Trying to wake up, y'all, trying to wake up. So look, we've been gone for a little while. You know, we haven't been uploading, and there's a big reason why we haven't been uploading. We've been in the field. We've been trying to focus on some big projects. We've been working on some really big things behind the scenes and trying to bring you guys the biggest possible videos that we can. After Prison Show has been growing quite a bit lately. We're almost at 1 million subscribers, a really awesome thing. And as this channel continues to grow, we're trying to do more and more positive things. We've been in the community trying to help some folks. We've been trying to build some resources, do some networking, build some rapport in the community. And all of that brings us to what we're getting ready to do today. Y'all, we are getting ready to go to work.
What? You didn't tell me we were going to work. What do you mean work, Joe?
We going to work, Dave. We going to do us.
I'm at work right now, Joe.
Well, we're gonna work while we are at work. And not only just work while at work, we're gonna be doing some super physical work at that.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Joe.
Yeah, Dave.
What do you mean physical work, Joe?
We're getting ready to go tear some stuff up. We are getting ready to go do us some demolition work today. We're gonna be busting some stuff up. We're gonna be taking out a lot of frustration on some things that need to get demolished. And you know, you may be wondering to yourself, like, why are we doing this? Well, we're doing this for a number of reasons. And one, we're definitely trying to help guys who are coming home from prison or who are in tough times and in dire need. We're trying to build opportunities for these guys to go to work. We're trying to build resources, and we are trying to do just the most that we can with that. Now, today, it's just gonna be me and Dave doing this ass-busting physical work. However, we're hoping that by us doing this, by going and talking with the individual who we're gonna be working with, this is gonna be a major resource that is gonna lead to bigger and better things, and hopefully be able to do just that, help us put guys to work who need work opportunities. Before we go any further with this video, I do gotta give a very special shout out to a sponsor on this video by the name of War Robots. This is a mobile game that's been downloaded more than 90 million times, and this is a multiplayer, in real life, 6 versus 6 tactical battle game. This game is super awesome. For those of you who haven't had a chance to check this out yet, you definitely need to do so. I'm including a link down in the descriptions where you can download this game for free and check it out for yourself. There's a huge variety of weapons and robots that you can choose from that can fit your very own style of play. You can even create your own clan in this game, or you can join an existing clan to try to further and advance your chances of absolute domination. When you first install this game, you get a huge starter pack with it, including 1 GI patent robot, a really unique skin, a full set of weapons for that robot, 100 gold, and 400,000 silver that you can use to purchase all sorts of other upgrades. Now, there's a couple of different things you can do while playing this game. You can either choose to destroy all of the enemy robots or capture all of the beacons on the battlefield. And with that, this game is heavily strategy based. You're definitely going to need you a good strategy in an effort to conquer and also lead your team to victory. Again, War Robots is a super awesome mobile game available on both Android and iPhone. And if you haven't had a chance to check this game out, you definitely need to do so. There's already been over 90 million people who have checked this game out. There's a link down below for you to be able to download this game for yourself, where you can begin leading your War Robot to victory and also domination. So I was saying that this definitely could be the start of bigger and better things that After Prison Show could be doing. Dave, we talked about this before, where, you know, we could legitimately go do like dirty jobs. Jobs that, and I don't mean to say like dirty jobs, but jobs that guys could get after prison. Construction, renovation, demolition. These are 3 jobs definitely in the wheelhouse of a guy coming home trying to get back into the working world.
Ex-con jobs.
Sketchy contractor type of work. And this guy that actually gave us this job, this is a friend of yours, right, Dave?
Yeah, I've known him for a while. He's always hit me up and asked me if I needed work. You know, I've never been the guy with no job, no money. You know what I'm saying? I have been that guy actually, but I've always had opportunities, and I feel like everybody has had opportunities, but they don't take them.
They don't take advantage of those opportunities.
Yeah, you know, they see it and, you know, like, oh, I don't want to do that type of work.
That's too hard, or I want something easier, more money.
Yeah. You know, we're not going out here to make no hella bucks.
We're going to work a hard day's work for a decent, not even, yeah, decent day's wage. Exactly. Good way to put it.
You know, it's, you know, we're doing what anybody else can do. Chicks like suspect.
So, you know, it probably wasn't a really good look walking into Lowe's wearing the orange prison shirts, going to get gloves so we don't leave any fingerprints, and a gigantic yellow crowbar. And then when we're checking out, it probably didn't help. Well, I didn't say it, I wanted to say it. I wanted to tell the women who were,
they were like, have a nice day.
Yeah, and I wanted to say, see you on the news tonight. Probably wouldn't have been a good look. Well, we had definitely some sketchy contractors today. But we're gonna go get the job done. And we're almost at the job, and it's time to put in some work. It's time to put in a hard day's work, because that's what we're about to do. Bob Vila, After Prison Show meets This Old House. Are you ready? Because to be completely honest with you, I'm not even sure that I am. Pulling up on the job site.
Friday, I'm gonna have this all framed up, right, squared up, and subfloor going back down. So by the weekend, by the Monday rolls around, I'm drywalling what on my drywall.
This the only problem you got is the floors in here, right?
The whole house is all gonna come up.
The whole house, the whole floor, the whole house.
Yeah, this place is jacked the f up.
We're here. And there is a lot of work to be done here. This is an entire demolition and remodel job right here, man. I mean, that's what this is. The entire floors are coming up, a lot of walls are coming out. There's a lot of work that's getting ready to get done in here. 2 bathrooms that need to be completely overhauled. I mean, basically this whole property needs to be overhauled. So we're gonna be giving these guys some help today. It's already hot in here. It's getting ready to be even hotter. You know, this is gonna be the first of what we think. There's a lot more things like this to come. So that's what we're gonna start at. We're gonna be moving these cabinets. These cabinets gotta go down in this garage. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good.
Okay.
God, it smells like there were 40 cats living in here.
I'm gonna make an app that's gonna be scratch and sniff, so when we tell them what it smells like, they can just smell it.
Yeah.
And you know, he's got some guys who are working with him. So definitely gonna take a lot of people to get this job done for sure. This is not like a 2-man job at all.
Especially with the floor sinking.
You guys buying a lot of houses?
Yeah.
That's awesome, man.
Yeah, they want to, you know, like I said, I did a house for this realtor that is their realtor in that, and they saw the product.
And like the work.
Loved it, and said, well,
Keep going.
we want you to do all our stuff. So he called, you know, we met over here. Like, can you come over? I was on my way back from Carolina. I did a job down there. I was on my way back. He's like, can you meet me over here and look at this house? Okay. Roll over here, looked at it. They bought it the next day. Pay cash.
So if you're with the work that you're doing, like with a property like this, if you got a guy that comes to work for you, how many hours a week can that guy work?
Minimum of 40.
That's awesome.
Minimum.
I mean, look at these sockets. Look at this. Like,
How did this lady not die?
that's straight fire damage right there. Like, that blew up. Look at that. That blew
Oh
up.
my god.
She had to be super old or something.
He wants to try and save this countertop.
Okay, so he wants to reuse that.
Yeah.
What about the mirror?
Nah, all that's trash.
Let me throw this out.
You're good though.
Ain't nothing like tearing some stuff up.
Oh, I've did this plenty of times.
Having fun, buddy. That dirt be a weapon. Alright, be careful. Woo! Well, you get you something like this in prison, yeah. Hey, y'all try to do some pull-ups real quick?
I mean, that is what we would have done pull-ups in.
Ooh, look at that blade right there, boy. Hold that, make sure that don't go. Oh, we got us some nice little shanks right here, boy. Look at all them knives. So we're going down to the studs in here.
Yep, gutting.
That's gonna be super fun. And it stinks under here, boy.
Yeah, dude, it's all water damage. You see the floor?
Yeah, you feel like you're gonna fall through the floor when you walk to the house.
Dude, did you see he built a bridge where the floor fell? That's crazy. And I do, like, that's my, by trade, I'm a floor mechanic. So when I walked in, that's the first thing I noticed was the fact that the floor had sunk like 6 inches. What?
It's definitely some tough work. But you know, if you're coming home and you get an opportunity to do this, dude, you ain't even be thinking about that. You're gonna be thinking, man, I'm working. I'm about to be able to start being able to afford paying some things off, getting me some clothes, getting my life back. And that's definitely what you're gonna be thinking about. And this guy's working all the time. You know, Sean, he's putting guys to work. He's got 2 guys working with him. He's got me and Dave in here working with him. You know, he said he's giving guys 40 hours a week at the minimum.
Can't pass that up.
Not at all.
Yeah, especially, if you know what you're doing, he ain't gonna pay you nothing less than what you deserve. Sean's a good guy, man.
And just think if you're the guy who's buying and flipping these houses, you just come in here with your little marker like, yeah, I need all this gone, all this. You see this? Better yet, let's put an X here and just tear the whole damn place down.
Oh,
did it get you?
yeah.
Did it taste good? Oh, that's nasty.
You smell that?
Oh, that's nasty. Oh, it's on your shirt. What is that? What is that, Dave?
You couldn't get it off!
I can't touch that. I can't touch that. No.
Drop that glass on there too.
Oh, grab that, Cody. There we go. Got it, boss. Hey, Dave, you just wasted a whole roll of toilet paper on that? Oh, no, Dave, you can't be wasting toilet paper like that. Oh, my God, there's all the water in there. Oh, God. Oh, my God. Dave, oh, my God. You think we're fitting through there?
Yeah.
Here we go. Oh, my God, it smells like... Oh, Jesus.
Got my gag reflex going for a second.
Yeah,
This is gonna be yum yum right here, y'all. Yum yum. That's where that fire was. Is it leaking?
it just stinks.
This is definitely what would be referred to as the work. This is something I'm pretty familiar with. I've done this pretty much my whole life. Grunt work, crazy physical labor.
What did he bust through the wall on
It
you?
busted a hole through the wall. I think a window would look good right here.
Did he get you out of the arena?
Yeah, man. Look at this.
Hey, who's that?
You should have seen your face, man. That was hilarious.
Hey, look, I got this shelf right here. I'm saying I just need $20. You got $20 for me? I took the shelf straight out of my house. Careful. We don't want to drop anyone's pee-pee on us. I'm feeling this.
Hand me that flathead.
Flathead on the way. Let me get some shelves out of here first. What's a flathead? Hot. It's dirty. And you know what? This is After Prison Show meets this old house.
Should have been out my head.
He's going right behind you. Almost. Woo. You know, part of me thinks to myself, I'm like, yeah, what the hell am I doing? And also, how did we get here? What part of me thought this was a good idea?
Well, we know who to blame it on.
I ain't gonna lie, it's hard work. This is really hard work.
This is what I was doing when I wasn't working with you for a while.
Well, I'm glad. Well, now I know why you came back.
There you go. That's my boy. Yeah.
My boy.
Get some. Get my boy Blue.
I guess it's one way to get some anger out. Well, that was probably the hardest of everything. You're good. You got rushed now. I got the hardest part of it all.
Yeah. And look, we wanted to show you something. Like, what's up? Stand out here. I want to bust ass for you. And there might come a time when we call you up and we're like, hey man, we got a guy. That, you know,
That's fine.
he needs opportunity.
Hey, look. Half my guys come out of prison when back in the 90s anyhow. I ain't worried about that.
Dude, you hired me straight out of prison.
Exactly. And that's better workers.
I showed. Look, you heard what he just said?
Be careful.
What'd you say about guys?
Straight out of prison, better workers.
You guys want an opportunity, man. We appreciate you letting us come out here and rock with you for a little while.
Dude. Joe. Why is the AC not on?
Dude, I am dying. I am freaking soaked.
And it's not raining.
I'm soaked, man. That was some ass busting work right there.
Did we get footage of us ripping that tub out?
Mm-hmm. Dave, we got footage of everything. But it felt good. It felt good to do something constructive like that, like literally constructive.
And we helped my buddy in the process.
We helped you, buddy. We met, you know, I got to see Sean for the second time. It's only the second time I'm seeing this guy. We got the bathroom pretty much all the way knocked out, and we built a little bit of rapport with Sean, and that was what we really wanted to do. You know, showcase, hey look, we came, we worked hard for you, we didn't take no breaks really, and you know, there's gonna come a time when we might have some guys we're trying to send your way for some work.
Dude, we're so nasty. We done laid plastic down.
We had to, man. The truck, can't let the truck get messed up. How you feel?
Dude, I feel like I'm gonna hate my life tomorrow.
My arms were so sore and tired. They're like trying to reach up to pull the sheetrock off of the walls. It was like, why? They were screaming at me. Why are we still doing this? But, You know, it's good to get back out into the field and really do some stuff like this. This is the type of work that I used to do all the time. I'm just glad we were able to do that. Because one, we showed Sean that we were gonna go there and work hard for him. And you know, if we got guys who need jobs, Sean needs help. So that is one resource that we have just solidified right there.
You know, the cool thing with Sean is, and we were talking to him at the end, is, you know, he has had on his payroll numerous times guys coming fresh out of prison, fresh out of jail, whether they knew what they were doing or not, and he gives them chances all the time because, you know, like he's the one that said this before we did, you know, guys coming home from prison usually work harder.
Exactly.
You know, they need it. They need it. And he knows that.
Man, we did a lot of work in a short amount of time, and we were on it. And it was definitely a good resource to make with Sean. So I'm glad we went and did that.